Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Monk of India. In this, today we are unboxing a very interesting product. This is an iPad, M1 iPad, and that too this is 128 GB, and it has a Retina display, um, XDR Retina display, which is basically the mini LEDs. So there are around 10,000 LEDs that you can see in this product, that will be like separate dimming zones, and that will actually help me to get a very good display. So this is something interesting, and that is the reason I bought it. Before this, I used to have an iPad Pro, which was the first gen. I bought it in 2016, and till now I have been using the same. Now that this new product has launched, and specifically because this has M1 chipset in it, I have planned to buy this product uh, after around 6 years. Uh, After using that particular iPad Pro for 6 years, and I would say it is not something that has uh, weighed out, and I will share that iPad with my family members, so they will use it, and I will use this beautiful product called as iPad Pro. This iPad Pro is 12.9 inch, and it's a fifth generation iPad. um, this is very special because this was launched in April, and I have booked it um, on the month of May. uh, 31st of May is when I booked it, but unfortunately it came today. Today is 8th of July, so probably after 40 days I was able to get it after I booked this product. So that that is something you have to be careful, because this is because of the display technology. um, Apple is not able to give you this product as soon as possible. That is the reason I have received this product a bit delayed. um, so it clearly says I, iPad Pro 12.9 inch 5th generation Wi-Fi. It's a space gray model, uh, and that is the reason I'm unboxing it today in front of you guys, so that everyone knows what it looks like when I buy it in India. So let's open the box and get the iPad out of it. uh, this will be very special for me. I am very sure about it, because this is first time I will be using such a large screen in iPad. Previously I have used at least three iPad. One was iPad 1, that I bought in the year 2010, and then onwards I had iPad 4, which was bought in 2012 probably, and then in 2016 I had the first iPad Pro, and now this one. So pretty interesting. So I have around 4 iPads in 11 years. Here you go. That's the box. I'll keep the box aside. I'll take out the iPad. The iPad is pretty sleek. The iPad design is pretty sleek. It has a camera. It has two camera. The weight looks to be a little bit on the heavier side, and then you have a USB-C cable, which is basically USB-C to USB-C, which is very helpful, I believe. And then you have an charger, 20-watt Apple charger. So this is something that can be used on your iPhone also, the iPhone 12 Pros. So that will also be a blessing in disguise, I believe. So if someone has got an iPad Pro and has 12, then they don't have to buy a separate charger. So that is one of the positive points. So now let's start this iPad. And a very special thing I would like to show, I have uh, I have something embedded in it. So I have a traveling channel which is called Traveling Monk of India. So I have added its name and my name into it, so you can see both have been embedded into this particular iPad. And now the iPad itself, well, it's pretty huge region. So I'll do a quick setup because I have that feature available with my old iPad. So with this iPad, I have also got one important thing. So let's keep this iPad here for now, and this is the USB-C and the charger. I've kept it aside. Um, One more important thing that I have ordered is nothing but this cover. This is, I think, the best cover that I can get, and I got it for around 1500 at Amazon with some good amount of discount, so you guys can also get that. So I'll use this cover for my iPad. I hope, and this actually is meant for this iPad only. So what we can do is we can just fix it here and just ensure that the camera and all stuff. This is how it looks now. It's pretty bulky though. It opens up with a sleek. Opening up. That's all I have from my end. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel.